Morning everyone, welcome back. Just a quick update on the sweet potato, orange flesh potato, which I bought in Brixton. As you can see, I'm gonna add some more soil to it and see what's happening. It's looking good so far, and I hope that it produces. I'm just gonna add the soil, shit like that. It's looking good, better than I thought. So just gonna add the soil to it. So just scatter it out. You can see I have plenty of slips, but I don't really need the slips now. I'm just gonna see if it's gonna produce any potato. I don't know, maybe I have to remove it out of this pot and put it into something bigger, which is good. And I can add more soil to it, that would be nice. So we'll see. We'll see. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please follow me with this potato and see if it produces. If you ever done it before, just let me know.